way back home, or we stuck here in this place forever. As we made our way through a beastly forest, we came upon a villager of dancers called Autumn.
Definitely the wickedest thing in my life. Ain't nobody do it like I do it. When I do it, I kick it down, put your back into it. Man, y'all ain't ready for the thing I'm doing. Get up. Drinks down, don't want y'all stop spilling drinks out all over that. They'll cheat now, say nothing but it's all in it anyhow. Still me, I just changed the sound to the other one. I had to swap it out and kept something in the background. Cause you heard the song, but you can do it in the background. Come on, little mama, work hard and make me feel like spend some money. I don't really like spending money, but you do what you do, like show off that body. No silicone, no lipo, no Botox, no condoms, and that's road in today's world when I'm in the boy in this world. Good, come on, they good, they're hot to death, make an athlete lose the breath, and then you got ass on your little bumps out. I don't need to come straight to you falling out. 3 and 4, 5 on the regular skin, a high number, you can go with your ear, so I shake it like hell. To be ashamed of myself, your lady couldn't rock the bill that way. Breaking it down, riding this beat like pop out the jail, man, I got her down. Show